Hi, dear, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Quantum Revenue. What if I told you there are AI tools that can help you make money online, even if you have zero skills? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple AI method that beginners are using to earn money online, especially in the US. The idea is simple. Businesses need content like blog posts, product descriptions, and social media captions. And instead of writing everything manually, you can use AI tools to do it faster. First, use ChatGPT to generate content. You can ask it to write blog posts, ads, or captions in seconds. Then, use Canva to design simple graphics or social media posts for clients. Finally, go to Fiverr and offer your service, like I will create AI generated content for your business. Here's exactly how you do it. Step 1, go to Fiverr and search for AI content writing to see what others are offering. Step 2, create your own gig, keep it simple, offer blog writing, captions, or product descriptions. Step 3, when a client orders, go to ChatGPT and generate the content in seconds. Step 4, edit it slightly to make it sound natural, then deliver it to the client. People are charging anywhere from $10 to $50 per order, depending on the content. And since AI does most of the work, you can complete multiple orders quickly. Now, this isn't a get-rich-quick method. You still need consistency and effort. But for beginners, it's one of the easiest ways to start making money online. So, if you're just getting started, this AI method is definitely worth trying. And this is just one way. There are many more AI methods like this.